Hello, welcome to my YouTube page. Today I'll be teaching you how you can use Google Meet to join into a meeting. First of all, if you want to use Google Meet to join into a meeting, it has some of the importance. Google Meet makes you able to join a meeting which is taking place at various locations. Various people are going to join into a meeting. For instance, you are seeing me, you can join into and you use the application called Google Meet. You are able to join into a meeting which is taking place across all over the globe or wherever you are located. If you want to use Google Meet, this is what you do. You go to your browser. There are basically series steps that you follow to use the Google Meet. After going to your browser, you type in Google Meet. You type in a Google Meet, then you make sure you come and enter Google Meet. After entering Google Meet, you have the steps we are going to follow. First of all, the step we are going to follow, you'll make sure you join into or you enter the word meetgoogle.com, and this is what it will bring for you. We have options here. It is saying new meeting. For new meeting, how it works is I want or you want to form to start a meeting and you invite other people to join you into the meeting. They will be in position to join you into the meeting. And the beauty of this application is that it provide for you platforms for you to raise your hands. It provide for you platform for you to write in text, to write a small chat, give your view like the SMS does. You're able to type your small view, then you send it. It can be viewed across many recipients, and the recipients in this case are those that are being in the same meeting with you. It also take the video recording of what you are talking about. For instance, I want to join into new meeting. I say new meeting makes you start a meeting with other people. If you are starting your meeting, you are going to invite other people to join into that meeting using that link. And the link you're using, you can send to their emails, you can send to your Facebook, you can send to their WhatsApp, whatever platform you are connected with them. Now I am going to enter new meeting and it will provide for me Siri informations. Let us watch. Those are the steps I'm going to follow. The first thing is create a meeting for later. I want to create a meeting that will start in a short later time. After creating it, I will send the links to my various connection, whether contacts, emails, and their locations where I am. I'll be in position to share with them their link and they will join the meeting later. That is for joining a meeting later. Then I have start an instant meeting. If I want to start instant meeting, from the word instant meeting, it means the meeting is going to start there and then. You come and enter instant meeting. Then instant meeting is that meeting that is going on. It is going on. You just come and join. You come and join instant meeting, and if you are joining instant meeting, it will ask you to sign in. You can sign in using your personal details, that is the Gmail, or you can sign in using your personal information, Gmail. Specifically, it gives you the provision of signing using Gmail, and make sure the network is stable, because if the network is stable, it will not allow you. Then it will be in position to ask you to allow the microphone and camera to take you when you are joining in the meeting. If you allow the camera, meaning you are going to be taken, the screen will take you as the video and it records your voice because you have allowed a specific setting inside your phone. For instance, in this case, you allow and you click allow. It is showing you that you click allow, which is at my top right hand. I will allow it. Then the voice will be taken, the voice will be taken, the screen will be taken. Then it provides me with a provision where I can write into my text, I can enter my text. You see here, when I tap on this one, this provision is to mute. If I mute, I want to speak, the microphone is off, I unmute. If I unmute it, I'll be in position to see that I am not in the meeting, however, I am participating. And what is blinking here is the image or the photo or the icon in my email account. That is for mute. Then you come here. This one is to take the screen, of what the screen or the camera is focusing. Right now, the camera will be in position to focus me where I am. And also, if I come here where I see this sign of hand, if I type on it, it means I am raising hand. If a meeting is going on, I raise up my hand. Maybe I want to give a point. I tap on this where the hand is. Then the person that is hosting the meeting, or various people that are joining the meeting, they shall be in position to see that I am raising my hands. I want to give a compliment for that case. And this icon here, it provides you with setting whether you may want to type in the message or short messages and share through the meeting. I may be talking with you here, at the same time I'm sharing what I'm talking about beside the recording of the screen. Then the sign of ank, it is here. If you click onto the ank will be in position to ank you out from the meeting. It will be in position to ank you out of the meeting. These are basically some criteria or the procedure you take when you want to join in instant meeting using Google Meet. The beauty of Google Meet, it makes you to join meeting at your individual convenient location with stable network, and all the conversions, they are in different locations. They are going to join you to the meeting and you share a lot, and this one is not limited. It can take as long as you have scheduled that meeting. And if you want to end your meeting, typically you come to this red ink and you ank onto the meeting. The meeting will be ank away. Now, if you want to rejoin, you can rejoin. After anking out, it will say you have left the meeting. If you want to rejoin, you can rejoin. If you want to return to the screen, home screen, you can turn by clicking into it. You can turn into the screen home return. That is how you can use new meeting when you're joining into Google Meet and you're using Google Meet. The same thing is you can share your link. If you want to start a meeting, you can share a link to various contacts, and later for them they join you into the meeting. When you start a meeting, then your meeting kickstart. This is how you use Google Meet to do meeting online. For the new beginners, this is the starting point. The next lesson, we are going to learn into how we can advance into the Google Meet. Remember to subscribe, like, share your comment. Bye bye. Follow me for next. Thank you.